quiet revolution is happening in the skies of East Asia, and the world is beginning to take notice. Japan, known for its technological excellence, is now stepping boldly into the future of air warfare. With the announcement of its 6th-generation fighter jet, Japan is preparing to redefine aerial dominance. This isn't just another advanced aircraft, it's a complete leap forward in stealth, speed, intelligence, and international cooperation. What makes Japan's 6th-generation fighter so special? Why are global military analysts watching its development so closely? And how will it change the face of future battlefield? Let's explore the powerful and groundbreaking vision behind Japan's next-generation fighter jet, a machine that may soon rival or even surpass anything currently in the skies. Japan's new 6th-generation fighter jet, codenamed the FX, also referred to as Future Fighter, is being developed to replace the aging Mitsubishi F2, a derivative of the American F-16. Scheduled for deployment by the mid-2030s, this fighter is more than a replacement. It's a strategic response to growing regional threats and a symbol of Japan's military modernization. The FX is a project led by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, MHI, in collaboration with international partners and supported by Japan's Ministry of Defense. This aircraft is not just about defending Japanese airspace. It's about creating a deterrent so advanced that potential adversaries will think twice before challenging it. Key features of Japan's 6th-generation fighter. So what defines a 6th-generation fighter? And how is Japan's FX planning to meet or exceed those expectations? Let's break it down. Number 1. Stealth and beyond. The FX will build on 5th-generation stealth technology and take it further. Its airframe will be designed with radar-absorbing materials, seamless shapes, and advanced coatings. But stealth won't just be about radar. Japan is reportedly working on multispectral stealth, which helps the fighter evade infrared, acoustic, and even electromagnetic detection. Additionally, internal weapons bays, reduced heat signature, and low observable engine inlets will make the FX nearly invisible in contested airspace. This allows it to get closer to enemy territory, deliver precision strikes, and return without detection. Number 2. Artificial intelligence and smart systems. Japan's new jet is being designed with AI at its core. This includes AI-assisted piloting, threat detection, and autonomous mission execution. In high-speed dogfights or dense electronic warfare environments, the onboard AI can help make split-second decisions faster than any human pilot. There are also plans for man-unmanned teaming capabilities. The FX could control a group of autonomous drones known as loyal wingmen to scout, jam, or even attack targets. This would dramatically expand the FX's effectiveness and reduce pilot risk. Number 3. Hypersonic and directed energy weapons. Japan's upcoming 6th-generation FX fighter isn't just aiming to match today's threats, it's being built to crush tomorrow's. One of the most groundbreaking features reportedly in the works is the integration of hypersonic missiles. These aren't your ordinary weapons. They travel at speeds above Mach 5, which is over 6,000 kilometers per hour. That means they can strike targets hundreds of kilometers away in just minutes. And because of their speed and maneuverability, they're nearly impossible to intercept with current defense systems. For any enemy, by the time a radar detects a hypersonic missile, it's already too late. That's a total game changer in modern warfare. But Japan's not stopping there. Engineers and defense experts are also exploring the use of directed energy weapons. We're talking powerful laser beams and microwave systems that can shoot down incoming missiles or fry enemy electronics in the air. It sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming a reality fast. These systems would allow the FX to silently disable enemy drones, scramble missile guidance systems, or even create an invisible wall of defense. While these technologies are still being perfected, Japan is investing heavily to make sure the FX isn't just armed, it's armed with the most advanced and futuristic weapons on the planet. Number 4. Advanced propulsion and Supercruise. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries is working with IHI Corporation to develop a next-gen engine that offers Supercruise capability, sustained supersonic flight without afterburners. This will allow the FX to outrun enemies, conserve fuel, and remain undetected longer. The engine will reportedly generate over 15 tons of thrust, with features like adaptive cycle technology and heat management systems to support stealth and performance. Number 5. Electronic warfare and cyber capabilities. Modern warfare isn't just about missiles and speed, it's also about data and disruption. The FAX is expected to come equipped with cutting-edge electronic warfare (EW) systems that can jam enemy radars, disrupt communications, and blind missile systems. Moreover, cyber resilience is a priority. With increasing threats of cyber attacks, Japan plans to build hardened cybersecurity features directly into the aircraft's systems to prevent hacking or remote disablement. Strategic importance and regional context. Japan's decision to develop a sixth-generation fighter jet is deeply tied to the shifting balance of power in the Indo-Pacific region. Rising military activities from neighboring countries, especially China and North Korea, have created an urgent need for advanced defense capabilities. China's stealth fighters, like the J-20, along with reports of their own next-generation aircraft programs, directly challenge Japan's ability to control its airspace and maintain regional security. The FX fighter is a critical piece of Japan's larger defense strategy. This plan includes not only developing cutting-edge aircraft, but also significantly increasing military spending, improving coordination with the United States through joint operations, and investing heavily in missile defense systems. By doing this, Japan aims to build a robust and flexible military posture capable of responding quickly and effectively to emerging threats. Ultimately, the FX is designed to ensure Japan holds air superiority in any future conflict. Its advanced technology and capabilities will strengthen deterrence by signaling to potential adversaries that Japan is prepared to defend itself with the most modern tools available. This aircraft won't just protect Japan's skies, it will help maintain peace and stability across the entire region. International collaboration. While the FX is a Japanese initiative, it will not be built in isolation. Japan has been in talks with the United Kingdom and Italy, both of whom are part of the Global Combat Air Program, GCAP. This collaboration aims to pool resources, share technology, and potentially build a shared sixth-generation fighter platform. This collaboration could result in shared components, interoperable systems, and even co-production, reducing costs and boosting the collective capabilities of participating nations. Japan's decision to collaborate also shows a strategic shift, moving from post-WWII self-restraint to an assertive defense posture rooted in alliances. Future capabilities. Japan's FX isn't just about building a fighter jet, it's about creating a digital ecosystem. The aircraft is expected to be integrated into a larger network-centric warfare strategy that includes satellites, drones, land forces, and naval assets. The idea is to build a system of systems, where the FX acts as the central node, collecting and sharing real-time data to all connected assets. This will give commanders a complete picture of the battlefield and enable faster, more effective decision-making. In essence, the FX is not just a fighter. It's a flying data hub, strike platform, and command center rolled into one. Challenges and timeline. Of course, developing such a sophisticated platform is not without challenges. Japan must overcome budget constraints, as the project is expected to cost over $48 billion, 0 cents US. Technological hurdles, especially in AI and engine development. Integration issues with existing platforms. Despite these hurdles, the FX program is on track, with the first prototype expected by 2028 and full deployment by the mid-2030 SS. Japan's disciplined approach, combined with its history of high-tech innovation, gives experts confidence that the timeline is achievable. Japan's sixth-generation fighter isn't just a response to modern threats. It's a bold step into the future of warfare. With its stealth, AI, hypersonic weapons, and digital connectivity, the FX is designed to not just survive the battlefield, but to dominate it. In a world where air superiority can define the outcome of conflicts, Japan's investment in the FX signals its determination to remain a key player in global security. As we look to the skies in the coming decade, one thing is clear: the battlefield is changing, and Japan's next-generation fighter will be leading that change. So what do you think? Will Japan's sixth-generation fighter reshape the balance of power in Asia? Can it outperform its American and Chinese rivals? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth videos on future military tech and global defense trends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.